Hi everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome to the Stray Kids tutorial series. My name is Orna and today we are learning the chorus of Easy. Now this is the just counts and music version. If you need a fully explained version or if you want to check the fully explained version for specific moves and stuff, I'll put the link to that one in the description box. Okay, so this is just counts and music, no explanation, none of that, okay? But if that's what you're here for, that is perfect. Please make sure you've done a stretch and a warm-up beforehand. There is a special Stray Kids warm-up video that I've made for you guys, which will be in the Stray Kids tutorial playlist, which I'll link in the description box as well. But if you're ready to go, let's take a look at the choreography and then we'll get started after that. Let's go! Alright guys, so this, as I said earlier, is the counts version of this song, so we're just going to get right in on the counts, okay, and then we'll get to the music after that. So, here we go. Face the left side for me to start, and 3, 4, make you say 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, look at me now, and boom, and ta, and 1, 2, 3, make you say wow, and ta, and 1, and 2, and doom, around, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, come and watch me now, and 1, 2, 3, 4, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, it's so easy, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and doom, doom, 1 and 2, it's so easy. Okay, so loop that back as many times as you need to without the music, and then when you're ready, jump into the music. We've got 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100%, so you can take your time at whatever speed you need to, do it as many times as you need to at each speed, and I'll see you guys afterwards, see how you get on, alright? Let's go! 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, look at me, 1, 2, go, and 1, 2, 3, wow, ta, 1 and 2, and boom, around, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, watch me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and up, 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, and lean, lean, 1 and 2, awesome, well done! 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and round, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and up, 1, 2, 4, up, punch, and lean, lean, 1 and 2. Awesome, well done, let's keep going. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and up, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and lean, Awesome, well done. 3, 4. Yes, well done. 3, 4. That is it. Well done, everybody. All right, everybody. Well done on all your run-throughs there. You are awesome for learning this dance together with me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I absolutely love this dance, and of course, I absolutely love Stray Kids. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, whether that's Stray Kids or Oneness or Mamamoo or whoever it might be. But thank you for learning with me today. I've had a great time. I hope you've had a great time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.